Okay, we're going to begin drawing cube number 8. First thing we want to do is select File and New. And again, we're going to choose the standard IPT part file. So select the icon standard IPT. Next, we're going to select Start 2D Sketch and Start 2D Sketch. And again, we're going to draw this on the XY plane. So hover over the XY plane and select it. Next, we're going to draw a rectangle. Again, we want to start at the point of origin and click and drag out in a positive direction and type in 5, tab 5, and enter. Next, we're going to finish the sketch and we want to extrude it. So select your extrude command to create some depth. We want to type in 5 in the dialog box and select OK. Next, we're going to select the front of the cube so we can create an edit or a subtraction on the front. So again, select the front face of the cube and select the icon all the way to the right called Create Sketch. And what we're going to do here is use our line command to draw a triangle over 1/2 of the front face of the cube. So to do this, we want to select the upper left corner of the cube. We want to draw a line from here to the upper right corner of the cube and then down to the bottom right side of the cube. And then back up to where we started to form the triangle. Next, we're going to select Finish Sketch. And we want to extrude the upper half of that triangle, so select Extrude. We want it to go the other direction, so select Direction 2 in the dialog box. And we want it to go 1 inch in. So change the 5 in the dialog box to 1 and select OK. And there is cube number 8.